Today we talk about roof in Revit. So this is the roof command in Revit. You can open it off and you can see all the different way you can create a roof in Revit. But for now we can hit here. Now we will see the notice. They ask us if we want to go level 2. Press no because we have not created at all. So now we are in roof command. Okay, here in property panel you can open it. You can see the different type of roofs and layer you can construct. We just going to be using generic for 100 mm. So here there is no generic for 100 mm. So we can select this. Go in edit, create duplicate, and we can edit 100. Okay, edit, change the 100. Okay, apply. Okay, here we have the tools that we can use to create roofs. Now we are creating a boundary line. Take a rectangular tool. We basically create rectangular roof. But let's make it bit more interesting and different. So I am going to take this one and this. So I am going with extend to connect this. Okay, now once we done this, go back to the modify tools. We can see every line has this little triangle here. That means basically every lines define slope. Okay, every line define slope. Select this line, you see here define slope. Just uncheck this box. Now this doesn't define the slope. This doesn't define the slope. Let's leave uncheck this and see what happens. Okay, go in 3D. You can see here is our roof is perfectly constructed by Revit. Here we didn't define slope. You will see there is no slope here. There is no slope. Now you can select, go in edit footprint. We can either edit in 3D or level 1 also. Now we just check the define slope. Check the box. Okay, and define slope. Now press OK. Go in 3D. Now you will see slope has been defined here. Okay. can see it. Okay, select all, delete. Again go in roof command, we get same notice, press yes, and I'm just going to do rectangular roof. Now we are going to see the slope arrow means. What means the slope arrow? This is basically if you want to create a bit more complex roof. Okay, so in order to use this, we just going to take line command and just make mark. This is not really roof construction. We are just using to mark certain place over here. Make it equal using dimension. Just click it here, you will see all are in the same and equal position. Delete all. Use a split element to split this line, so click here, you will see the line has been split. So we can delete this because we don't want this. Select these two, uncheck this define slope. Now I am going to use slope arrow. Click, create one arrow going this side and another arrow going this side. Select these two, you can see level heads, height offset, you just height offset provide 2000. Okay, okay, let's 3D view. Watching 3D view, you can see here we did not provided this slope. In this way you can use the slope arrow. In this way you can use the slope arrow. Okay, now select this one, just delete it, go in level 1. Now let's make the roof extrusion. First go to the roof, open it up, you will see roof by extrusion. But first to draw a reference plane, so click on the reference plane, just draw a random reference plane, name it roof. Okay, Now we can use basically to see from south elevation. Okay, now let's go to the roof. Extrusion, you will see, select, you will see this notice, select, just pick a plane and press OK. Now it show us basically which elevation, now it show us basically which elevation or view we want to use. So choose the south elevation. Okay, now it asks us which label do we want to associate our roof. So label 2. Okay, we just going to choose label 2 because it's the upper level. Okay, we can create by using spline line, spin tools. Okay, go in 3D view, you will see. You can just edit by this also. In this way you can create your roof in different type as per your requirement. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe and comment. Thank you.